Today, I'll be making my coconut-crusted tilapia. Soak the tilapia in the coconut milk for 10 minutes to up to 24 hours. I choose to use a Ziploc bag. You can very easily do this in any type of a bowl or dish. Combine the coconut, cumin, paprika, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and cayenne. Then mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. Generously sprinkle the tilapia with the sea salt. Then coat each piece with the coconut mixture. Place the fish on a parchment-lined baking sheet. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Now bake on 400 degrees for 15 minutes until the fish is flaky. Thanks for watching.